Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing the short file and permission. You don't need to overthink setup. First, save the short to your phone using the platform save/download or use a quick screen recording if download isn't available. Once saved, inspect the clip. Make sure it's vertical 9, 16, between 15 and 60 seconds, and that audio is intact. If the file has a visible link or watermark, you'll remove or crop it in the next step. Make sure you keep the best frame for your status. Now edit the clip so it looks native in status. Open a simple editor or phone app. Crop or blur any visible link or watermark while keeping the subject centered. This preserves composition when you remove overlays. Next, trim to fit the status length limit and add brief native captions so viewers watch without sound. Once done, export using H.264 at 720p or higher and keep the 9:16 aspect ratio. This ensures smooth upload and avoids automatic relinking or compression. Finally, post the edited short as your status. Open your app's status or story composer, pick the file, choose a cover frame, and confirm privacy settings before posting. If the platform auto-inserts a link or preview, re-export the file with a tiny crop or re-encode at a slightly different bitrate. That often prevents automatic embedding. If uploads fail or quality drops, clear the app cache, update the app, or try a different uploader app. One key tip: keep an original backup in case you need to re-edit quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.